Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Akshara. I am studying grade 5. Today I am going to explain about reflex action. What would you do if you touched a hot pan by mistake? You would immediately move your hand from away. Do you think this movement was in your control? Such quick actions are not in your control. The transfer of messages in this case occurred within the sense organs and the spinal cord. Hence, they are controlled by the spinal cord. Some involuntary actions that are quick, automatic and not under the control of the brain are called reflex action. To understand, let us imagine you touched a hot pan by mistake. The skin feels that the pan is hot. The sensory nerve sends message to the spinal cord that the pan is hot. The spinal cord passes the message to the motor nerves. The motor nerves from the spinal cord carry the message to the muscle in the arm. The muscle contracts and the hand moves away from the hot pan. Some examples are iron box, switchboard holes, cutter current wires. These are made to a shock. I hope you all understood about reflex action.